Hello. So as you can tell, the hacker, exploiter, the one that just win the murderer, is exploiting, that which is annoying as heck. Oh my gosh! Like imagine hacking. I think this is like the first video that I made of hacking, and here's the username: Kitten Rainbow 88.
Seen
Roblox
it happen
is
multiple
so
times.
stupid. I hate
I've
it.
seen many people get banned.
Like it's so stupid. She already know that I record, that I make videos. She was like in the noob
No, cause I just told her. I
video.
said okay or whatever. Cause you said to stop fighting and walk away. Then she keeps telling me to explain after I just told her exactly how they do it.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can gamble. Gamble. Okay. No. Sad.
What would you fuck with?
What is it?
Guys, let's just stop fighting, okay? I know he was a murderer.
You're still
Ken
dragging
Rainbow's
stuff.
81.
I'm not
Be
even
quiet.
interacting with you, and you're still talking about it.
Okay, guys. Okay, if this person even said it wasn't true, like, what if we just like stop arguing and be friends?
Ken Rainbow's 81.
Who said that? Oh, this person's recording.
I'm YouTube famous.
I'm famous too.
Girl, literally said it.
Oh my god.
Who is talking? Oh, how do you know it was him?
Good afternoon, Jack and Marla. Good afternoon,
Oh,
Jack
yeah.
and Marla. Copy?
Does anyone have any like good guns and knives they don't use anymore? I don't have any good guns. Oh, oh.
You
Wait,
sound
what
like
was
you're
At
that
least
too
it's
old to
again?
be
around.
playing
Oh
with
my god,
kids.
50.
Star Tech?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that's right. Ken Rainbow's 81.
Imagine having that thing
No,
on.
genuinely, you shouldn't promote like something that could get you banned. That's considered
Like, when you want to say
cross-training,
you're hacking, but you're actually hacking, because how are you using a bot and then you want to have the excuse that it's a code? Like, boo, don't be this stupid.
Yes, I just looked it up. They can't. They can't after you're using that. So stop arguing and yapping. Go down on it.
That's not what I said.
Okay. Help me. Help. Wait, where's the exploiter again? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh my gosh, where'd you go, bruh? Bruh, I don't have Google, so
Who's
I
that?
can't really.
Who's that? Red zone. You. 20.
Oh my gosh. No, no.
Not never. Is that flag next to you? Is that.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Pulse Central. I'm your host, Mason. Today, we've got cheaters getting exposed by their own Tinder profiles, wild excuses,
She got
and
pinged.
confrontations that go completely off the rails.
The
Let's get
LGBTQ?
into it.
Yeah.
Oh. Are
I
you
might
part of
have
the
to cut that
LGBTQ?
out.
Male.
Me?
Because I don't want my friend to get in trouble.
Maybe it's got some money in it or something. Oh, that's hilarious. I wonder why somebody would do that. Oh no.
I thought that was pink.
Oh no. Oh no.
Let me gamble game. I want to gamble. Please.
Festive like that.
Oh hey.
I'm innocent. What are you guys?
I swear if she's the hacker is the sheriff, I'm gonna be so mad.
That's not what it is.
That's not talking about. I'm innocent.
Oh Jesus.
You're not what it is.
Guys, it's me. I'm so innocent.
Nope, 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 nope. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here.
She really said her Tinder account is none of her husband's business. That argument might be even crazier than getting caught in the first place.
Who's killing people? Hold on.
Where is she? Is he in the lobby? Is she? If I swear, if she's in the lobby, I'm gonna be so damn mad. Where is she? Where is she? I don't care if I lose. Where the heck is she?
She really said
Get out of the
she
way.
didn't lie because he never asked. That's not.
Someone went in front of me. You went in front of me, Biggie.
Unlike you.
What? I can't even hear what you're saying, girl. Turn up
Hacking the Tinder
the
account,
mic.
and somehow he's the insecure one. His explanation is raising more red flags than it's
All I
clearing
hear
up.
is glitching because that's what
Well, actually, sideways, you can't see me. That's how skinny I am. So stop calling me big, stop calling me fat. Just look at your forehead and maybe say it's fat instead.
girl, what?
I literally I gotta cut that out. Hold on.
We found out a Christmas gift to a pregnancy reveal real quick, and judging by her reaction, that was definitely not the surprise she wanted exposed.
What guy? What guy is it? Tell me what guy is it? Boom, 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 boom.
Probably wish that girl. Always letting down. So much older than me. Everything I'm insecure about. Yesterday I just discovered. How could I ever love someone?
buddy.
What's hard, right?
Come on. Yay!
Wait, can all of you guys sing that with us?
In the USA. Here I am for the first time. Look to the right, and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy.
Yep.
I got it. You can
I'm gonna be
quiet
for
real
real.
quick.
Chris, I'm gonna be for real.
Hey.
There's a
Okay, I'm mad.
that's pretty much the rundown.
Wait, can
Like there's not much
oh,
else to
okay. Hold on, let me mute some people. Who was the last one talking over here really loud?
click on the Roblox icon and then click
Uh-huh.
view all and then go back.
I like to eat my poo.
Go
I like to. I like to. I like to eat my poo poo.
Okay, oh wait, I got the sunset gun that will fit with the, look, Jane is a good friend. She doesn't really have that much, so, and I won't show the apps or whatever because it's not good. And they're outside, aren't they? It sounds like outside. Oh. Bring me up. Oh. No, no, no! Oh, God.
All good there?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought it
My
was
mic
okay.
was good.
Mm.
It's like some mic I bought for like $40. So when I stop talking, it goes quiet.
Nice.
Or like the only thing you can hear is me breathing. Oh, she left.
Yay, she's
Yay.
done. Okay.
Wait, she
I'm
did?
gonna
Yes. Wait, can I friend request you real
I'm
quick? I
gonna
need to join
record
that.
like
It's
2
really loud
more
here.
rounds and then stop.
I normally
I'll
don't add
I'll
anybody,
keep on
but like
playing,
if you play with me, then sure.
Okay.
but
Yeah, because sometimes I don't
I'll
really
just
trust
stop
people, but
recording.
I've been talking to you for a while.
So I don't know
Yeah.
I
if
don't mind.
we're
I
if
don't
I
mind having friends.
will if I'll record
I only have 4. Okay, here, I'll...
99 or 98 to 100
Okay.
on N7
Okay, I'll
because I
join
keep
right
on
back.
playing V. Yay, she did it! Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah, my friend wants me to join her real quick so she can show me her kid. Bye bye.
Which saw the passage of a stopgap funding bill to avert a government shutdown. However, there was no vote
Okay,
on
you
the
know,
Senate's
I'm gonna stop
$150
recording
billion
now.
budget framework or the Save
Oh yeah,
America
also this is my in real life
not have the votes to pass it just
thing.
yet. Maybe the election integrity bills
So I'm gonna stop recording now. I don't really want this to be long. Bye bye.